Welcome back to MotoMarket Explorer. Today, we're diving into 10 vintage machines currently listed on the market, from rare Harleys to iconic British, German, and Japanese legends. Let's take a closer look at the best deals available right now. Number 1. 1975 Harley-Davidson XLH 1000, $5,000, Milton, Florida. This 1975 XLH 1000 is a fully refreshed ironhead built for someone who wants a reliable classic without doing the restoration themselves. It's a numbers-matching bike featuring electric start, with a kicker still present though no longer functional after a clutch basket swap. The seller reports it runs, rides, and stops properly with a clear title ready to go. The mechanical updates are extensive: rebuilt generator, rebuilt forks, new front brakes, new master cylinder, new clutch, new gaskets, new cables, new battery, and a fresh wiring harness. The carb has been rebuilt and only needs final tuning. New intake seals, new chain, new tank, new fender, new headlight, and fresh grips round out the upgrades. It even comes with your choice of a velocity stack or S&S air cleaner. The only upcoming need is a starter solenoid. For buyers wanting a refurbished ironhead rider, this one is an excellent value at $5,000. Two, 1988 Honda Magna, $3,200, Pensacola, Florida. Honda's V4-powered Magna cruisers are known for their smooth delivery, low maintenance requirements, and surprisingly strong performance. This 1988 example is described as a clean, good-condition mid-size cruiser that runs strong without mechanical issues. For under $3,500, it's one of the most affordable, reliable, entry-level classics on the market today. Perfect for riders wanting easy ownership and Honda dependability. Three, 1995 BMW R100R Mystic, $6,000, Woodstock, Georgia. A late production airhead with modernized components, the R100R Mystic remains one of BMW's most desirable 1990s classics. This example shows only 19,800 miles and has been meticulously maintained. The air-cooled Boxer twin is known for long-distance reliability, easy serviceability, and unmatched mechanical longevity. The Mystic variant features BMW's paralever rear suspension, improved braking, and a sleeker styling package. The seller states it runs beautifully, handles confidently, and still has that unmistakable Boxer exhaust note. For collectors looking for one of the last true airheads, or riders wanting a classic that can tour today, this is an outstanding option. Four, 1978 Kawasaki KZ650, $1,000, Charleston, South Carolina. A true budget project with solid potential, this 1978 KZ650 was used as a daily commuter until 5 years ago. It now needs a new battery, new tires, and likely a carburetor rebuild before returning to the road. The engine turns, and the bike has a clean title and key. The KZ650 is well known as Kawasaki's smaller sibling to the legendary KZ900 and KZ1000. Lighter, fast revving, and one of the best handling UJM platforms of the late 1970s. At only $1,000, it's a great candidate for a restoration or vintage cafe project. 5. 1972 Triumph Bonneville, $3,000, Milton, Florida. This classic Bonneville has recently received restorative maintenance from D&D Cycles, helping bring the 650cc twin back to strong running condition. With a clean title and a fair asking price, it's an authentic British vintage machine with real on-road usability. The 1972 model year retains the iconic styling and sound of the earlier Bonnevilles, featuring the signature parallel twin, distinctive tank shape, and classic Triumph ride feel. At $3,000 or best offer, this is one of the most affordable, usable British classics available on today's market. 6. 1980 Yamaha XS650 Special, $3,300, D'Iberville, Mississippi. The XS650 is one of the most respected Japanese classics ever built, known for its reliability and torquey parallel twin engine. This example has been fully reconditioned by Limeys Motorsports, making it one of the cleaner XS650 specials currently listed. Recent work includes new tires, new clutch plates, a new master cylinder, a rebuilt carburetor, and a new clutch cable. It starts easily, runs as it should, and has been garage kept as a display quality piece. With a clean title and strong mechanical condition, this is a ready-to-ride vintage Yamaha at a very reasonable price. 7. 1972 Norton Commando Combat, $9,500, Jupiter, Florida. One of the most desirable British motorcycles ever built, the 1972 Combat Engine Commando is known for its boosted performance and unmistakable character. This example is described as an excellent original bike, currently running great with good tires and clean presentation. The seller has installed a Corbin Gunfighter saddle, but also includes the original seat. A new center stand is mounted, with the original included as well. The 750cc Combat engine is the high-output variant Norton produced for only a short period, making this model especially collectible. For fans of British performance legends, this is a rare find in properly running condition. 1982 Suzuki GS450T, $2,800, Milton, Florida. This one-owner GS450T has only 14,516 miles and a clean title. The seller reports no mechanical issues. It runs well, shifts cleanly, and is ready to ride. Known for its smooth twin-cylinder engine and excellent reliability, the GS450 series makes an ideal lightweight commuter or starter classic. Blue paint, clean bodywork, and the option for trade make it an attractive and flexible market listing. For under $3,000, it's one of the best value small displacement classics available. 9. 1986 Moto Guzzi California 2, $1,000, Inverness, Florida. A running Italian classic for only $1,000 is rare, and this California 2 offers true vintage touring character with Guzzi's signature transverse V-twin. With 49,758 miles, it has been ridden as intended, but is still reported to run and ride well. The California 2 features comfortable ergonomics, shaft drive, and that unmistakable Guzzi sound. For budget-minded riders wanting a classic Italian machine without the typical high price tag, this is a standout deal. 1975 Harley-Davidson XL/CH1000, $4,900, Fairhope, Alabama. This XL/CH is a clean, well-maintained ironhead with fresh mechanical work. The previous owner rebuilt the engine and completed the paintwork, while the current seller updated the electrical system and installed a hydraulic clutch. Recent service includes fresh engine oil, fresh primary oil, checked torque settings, and chains within specification both front and rear. Points are reported to be properly adjusted. With strong running condition and classic black ironhead styling, it's a solid buy for anyone wanting a vintage Harley that doesn't need major work. Thanks for watching MotoMarket Explorer. If you love real vintage motorcycle listings from across America, make sure to like, subscribe, and check back for the next set of fresh market finds. Until then, ride safe and keep exploring the classics.